Eating healthy sucks, but in reality it's easier than you think. You don't need to stick to salads, cut out flavor, or reduce social life. In this video I will show you the basics of eating healthy, how to easily implement them to your life, and what actually matters. So this video is about eating healthy without stressing. By the end, you'll realize eating healthy doesn't suck. Overcomplicating it does. Before we start, let's clear some trauma. You do not need to eat clean 100% of the time, or track every calorie like it's a crime investigation. If your plan requires suffering, it's not a plan, it's punishment. Basic number 1. Eat most real food. Not organic ancient moon-blessed food, just real food. If it looks like it came from nature at some point, you're good. Meat, fish, eggs, fruits, vegetable, rice, potatoes, oats, nuts, beans, or yogurt. If the ingredient list looks like a Wi-Fi password, maybe leave it out. The rule here is 80% real food, 20% whatever keeps you sane. Basic number 2. Protein is your friend. Protein is not just for gym bros which are trying to bench 405. Protein keeps you full, helps your body function, and stops you from being hungry again 12 minutes after eating. Examples here could be eggs, fish, chicken, Greek yogurt, beans, tofu, or a protein shake. The simple hack here is try to include one protein source per meal. That's it, no math, no stress, just one protein source. Basic number 3. Don't fear carbs. Carbs are not the enemy. Carbs didn't ruin your life, carbs are energy. Good carbs are rice, potatoes, oats, fruits, or whole grains. They help you think, move, and exist as a functional human. So the problem isn't carbs, it's eating them without protein, fiber, or a plan. So for example, if you eat them with a good protein source, you don't need that much carbs to still feel full. Basic number 4. Vegetables. Yes, vegetables matter. Vegetables will give you vitamins, help you digest, make your body less angry at you. The simple rule here is add some vegetables to most meals. Not all and not perfect. Frozen vegetables are fine, pre-cut vegetables are also fine, and vegetables drowned in olive oil are still vegetables, but I don't know if that counts. Basic number 5. Prepare healthy snacks. A lot of people are craving snacks along the day, and while craving, they need the snack instantly. They don't have time to cut an apple or cook something healthy. They choose a chocolate bar. That one that's just there. No prep, no effort, no resistance. So the simple trick is replace the sweets with pre-made healthy snacks, like prepared berries in the fridge, sliced fruits that are ready to eat, or other vegetable snacks. So now the easiest snack is healthy, and you don't need willpower or motivation anymore. This doesn't mean you'll never eat chocolate again. It means you won't eat it by accident anymore. And that alone is a huge difference. Basic number 6. Consistency beats perfection. This is the big one. Eating healthy is not what did you eat on your best day, it's what did you eat on average. One bad meal doesn't matter. One good meal doesn't fix anything. What matters are habits, patterns, doing okay most of the time. So consistency over perfection. You don't need a perfect diet, you need a repeatable one. So eating healthy isn't about being perfect. It's about treating yourself with a basic respect. You don't need to change everything. You don't need to suffer. You just need to start small and stay human. One better meal, one better habit, one less all or nothing mindset. If this helped you even a little, drop a like, share it with another food-loving person, and consider subscribing for more stuff that makes your life slightly easier. Now go, put your phone down, and start preparing snacks.